Hello everyone, thanks for your patience with us on the project. Now I have finished all the metaphors that are necessary to make the story better, but now we have experts who jumped on board and trying to help us through the project. We have Jenny.
Hi, I'm Jenny. I have worked as a teacher for a very long time and also in public service, educational TV and radio. And I'm so happy to be part of this project. It's inspiring, interesting and developing quickly.
And Tiffany.
Yes, and I'm Tiffany, and I've been working in storytelling and with broadcast storytelling for a long time. And we're doing some serious workshopping here on the arc and making sure that we are hitting all of the emotions and the messages just as clearly and as powerfully as we possibly can.
Yeah, thank you for your patience, and we'll be ready so soon, hopefully. Thank you.